today guys, I'm cooking pasta with this pad thai paste. So tignan natin kung masarap. So ito na yung ginawa kong sauce, pasta with meatballs. So ito nga, ilalagay ko na yung Thai pasta sauce. So tikman natin kung masarap. Ayan, nahalo ko lang dyan. Haluin natin. Medyo ang lasa niya guys is manamis-namis yung Thai sauce. And since hindi malapot yung sauce niya guys, so lalagyan natin ng corn flour para pampalapot. Haluin natin. Haluin natin tapos pakuluan. And okay na yung sauce natin guys. Lasang Jolly Spaghetti yung sauce na Thai pasta paste. So ayan, ready to serve ng ating Thai pasta.